Okay, so here's my plan. This is a heater core. I know it's a heater core. And this is a naturally aspirated 2.5 liter cold air intake and a header. I'm making as much power as I can without a supported polished head. It's only barely ported. I mean, it's more like it was just all the rough edges were smoothed down. Okay, and tried to polish it down to a mirror finish in there, but even the pistons look nice. Yeah, we put stainless steel valves in there, and an optional, with the header we've installed an optional O2 sensor. They are not both hooked up. This is the wideband O2 sensor. I've been experimenting with it. And if you're curious about any of the port and polish and all that, I have videos. I'll put a link up here. It'll be somewhere up here, probably. Yeah. Anyway, you click that, check out I'll put a little playlist link or something. But yeah, here's what we're gonna do. Something nobody, I don't think, thinks about. Maybe I should have Googled this instead if other people have done this. But I don't think they do. And if I'm the first, that would be awesome. But anyway, here's my thoughts. We got cold air coming in, and then warm air being sucked in here by way of Venturi force. Anybody knows what Venturi force is? It's when you pull air across a hole, causing this air to want to go with it. And that's where the vacuum helps. Positive crankcase ventilation. Oh no, actually that's what this hose does. But I think this makes it a little more positive. Anyway, well, so that's a whole different thing. Anyway, we're not going to deal with that today. We'll maybe approach that another day. Today, it's this one. This is the one I want to mess with. It's on there, see? Didn't need a clean. But we're going to cut this here, or something. Not really cut it, but you get the idea. This I'm going to put under the battery, run these lines up, and this heater core is going to become a PCV intercooler, a breather intercooler. So when the engine needs to breathe, instead of sucking the hot air out of here, it'll go into this, get cooled off, come back into the engine all cooled and yummy and great. Wouldn't that be awesome? That'd be awesome, right? Alright, so I found a good spot for it. Put some black duct tape around it. And got one tube hooked up over here. I'm gonna hook that tube up to that. And that'll be it. That'll be our breather cooler. Maybe the first ever. Now some of you might be thinking, this is a waste of time. I mean, how much power do you think you're gonna get from this? Even if you added 1 horse to your carriage, would it be worth the weight of a heater core for 1 more horse to be pulling your carriage? I say yes. How much horsepower is this going to add? Probably not a whole lot. I bought the actual PCV hose. I have some laying around somewhere, but it's not where I could find it. So I'm just going to cut what I want here. Good old steak knife chop. Oh yeah. Now the hood. It's another story. I warned you. I warned you. Work's already begun. Been beating that dent out a little bit more. Gonna smooth it out first. Just a little crap Bondo on it. It'll be great. It'll be our next video. Speaking of that kind of stuff, make sure you like and subscribe. Take a shower every day. You know, because, you know, it's a good thing to do. With your feet in the air and your head on the